Hello there and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a quick review on a brand new product from Too Faced. It is their Plump and Prime Luxury Face Plumping Primer Serum. Now when I read that title and then read the full description of this product, I could not wait to get my hands on it because I thought I've got to see if this actually works. Now the description of it is that it will prime, visibly fill, and volumize to look more lifted and feel firmer with this one-stop miracle worker. Skin is immediately plumped with moisture. Cheeks and jawline start to feel more lifted in 3 days. Now I'll just pause there and say that was the first reason why I ordered this, because I don't know about you, but I grow impatient waiting for skincare products to do something. So 3 days, we're supposed to start seeing results. A collagen plump elixir and a superstar peptide help skin boost natural collagen to diminish the appearance of lines and wrinkles, improve texture, and minimize the appearance of pores for skin that feels and looks smoother. Cheeks look plump and jawline looks more contoured. It's lightweight with heavy-duty results. So I could not wait to give this a try. Reading that description, and then when I got it, looking at all of these ingredients. So this entire side of the box, I think even like up to right here, all of this, these are all the ingredients. So there are so many ingredients in here, and as I was reading them, I was happy to see that I actually recognized a lot of them as being good ingredients. I mean, just about every fruit extract, seed oil, whatever, it's in here. So you can see the full list of ingredients on their website. So it retails for $42. It's 1 ounce. So I thought, okay, it's pretty pricey, but there's good ingredients. And I saw the outer packaging and I thought, ooh, that's pretty, but just wait. This is what the actual jar looks like. It is beautiful. I literally gasped and said, oh my goodness, that is so pretty. It is a glass bottle, and this label, this gold label on the front, is actually a piece of metal that is attached to the glass bottle. The lid is plastic, and then it has a plastic pump. Now you can see I have been using this for a little over a month, just about since it came out. I placed my order right away, and I use it twice a day. Now I was a little confused on what it's supposed to do, when you're supposed to apply it during your skincare routine. So I was playing with a couple of different things. The only directions it has on the box is it says use during the day to prime skin for flawless makeup application. Use again as a serum at night to visibly plump and lift skin. Shake me baby to activate the miracle ingredients. So we're supposed to shake it. So that was something that took me a while to get in the habit of, but you're supposed to shake it, apply it morning and night. I was confused because it was saying, you know, apply it in the AM to prime your skin. Well, basically, think of it as a serum. Don't think of it as a makeup primer. That was my first mistake. So I've been applying this to my bare skin in the morning and at night. Now at night, I wasn't sure how it would interact with my nighttime skincare, the rest of my routine, but I'm happy to report everything works well on top of it. Now, I was interested to see kind of what those immediate results would be and results over time. So I don't have tons of, you know, fine lines and wrinkles, but I do have some. I also have enlarged pores. And for me, right here is where I have really noticed in the last couple of years just a little loss of elasticity. But I did see immediate results, and then over time I can say that I feel like this part of my skin especially, and even right in this section, I have felt some extra plumpness there. So let me show you the demo. So I'm starting off here with clean skin. I have just applied some toner to my skin, let that sink in, and now I'm going to apply 2 pumps. I've tried to get away with just 1, but I need 2 pumps to really cover my face thoroughly. And the instructions on the website are that you apply this from the center outward. So I'm smoothing it from the center of my face out and up. So this is kind of helping your skin absorb it, and it's also lifting the face. You never want to drag your hands down on your skin as you're applying. So you can see it soaks in, sinks in immediately. You have that little bit of glow. And then what it says on the website, and it took me a while to hunt this down too, but on the website it says you want to wait 2 minutes before applying any other skincare on top. So that was my first mistake for about a week. So you want to wait 2 minutes, and you can just see after 2 minutes my skin just looks nice and healthy, and there is just a strange little bit of plumpness. So then I go in with my sunscreen. This is the Paula's Choice Tinted Sunscreen, and I apply that over the top. Now I have to say, I do notice that my sunscreen glides onto my skin much easier, and over time, I have not felt like this has caused any extra breakdown on my makeup wearing or anything. And then at night, I have used this in conjunction with my BHA exfoliator from Paula's Choice and the retinol moisturizer, and those combinations of things have not caused any irritation. Now, the one thing that I was a little disappointed in when I first pumped it out on the back of my hand, I went, oh no, there is a floral scent, and it is a pretty distinct floral scent. I am not a floral scented girl at all, perfumes or anything. So I thought, oh no, and I have sensitive skin. So I was a little concerned, but I pulled out this long list of ingredients and found where they did add fragrance way down here. So I was disappointed to see that in a skincare product they added fragrance, but it is really far down on the ingredients list. And as you apply it into your skin, you are going to smell it initially, but it does sink in and it dissipates, and then I don't smell it the rest of the day, and I've not had any skin irritation. So, but just be aware there is that scent. Now, as I have gotten used to it and applying it, I actually don't mind it now. But if you are allergic to fragrance, you won't be able to use this. But those things aside, I do feel like over time, and I would say, I mean, I did see immediate kind of plumpness, felt my skin felt better, but I would say it took me a couple weeks before I started feeling like right in this section that it had a little more firmness. Now, I haven't used it long enough to say for sure, but I don't think you're going to see drastic lifting, like if you were to get a facelift or just use this. I mean, let's just be real. But I do feel like my skin feels firmer and almost more dense. So if you are somebody who is looking for a product just to help add a little extra lift and a little extra moisture, I feel like this does help anything that you put on top of it kind of absorb better into your skin as well. That is generally the job of a serum, is it's supposed to help other things that you put on top kind of help sink into your skin a little bit better. So I do feel like this works well with multitudes of different sunscreens and different things. I've tried it with just about all of my skincare and it's worked well. So, and I am an oily combination girl, and I still feel like I can use this and it doesn't make me excessively oily. So if you have been curious about this wonderful Plump and Prime, if you've been seeing things about it and you don't mind fragrance, I would say it's worth checking into. I will leave links down in the description box below. It's available, I think, at Ulta and on Too Faced website, so I'll leave all of that information down below. But I hope that this video was helpful for you. If you've been looking for a new kind of collagen plumping product for your skin, check this one out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.